morning, and thank you for joining us. A Duke University employee is in jail without bond tonight, charged with sexually abusing a child.
The FBI arrested Frank Lombard in an internet sting. Agents say he was trying to solicit another adult to have sex with his 5-year-old adopted son. WRAL's Adam Owens is following this story from our newsroom. Adam?
Gerald, investigators say a confidential source first pointed them to the 42-year-old Duke employee. Authorities say their source met the Durham man online. Investigators say they too soon logged on themselves to talk with their suspect. In court papers, investigators say their confidential source claimed to have witnessed Lombard on webcam sexually molesting an African-American child who appeared to be under the age of 10. An undercover online operation then began. Authorities say Lombard sent nude pictures to an officer that matched Lombard's driver's license picture. In a chat online with an undercover officer, investigators say Lombard claims to have adopted the child, that he specifically chose an African-American boy, saying they were easier to adopt than white children. In court papers, investigators say Lombard told the online undercover officer business trips his live-in partner takes allow him the ability to molest the child as he did, that the abuse was easier when the child was too young to talk or know what was happening, and he had drugged the child with Benadryl during the molestation. Property records show a home on Indigo Creek Trail in Durham owned by Lombard and another man. Investigators do not believe that other man was part of the suspected abuse. Ultimately, investigators say Lombard invited the undercover officer to Durham to perform sex acts on the child. When authorities arrived, they removed 2 children and placed them in protective custody. Giovanni Masucci is not connected to this case, but as a digital forensic investigator, he says he's seen cases like this one. In an interview by phone, he says they can be disturbing.
You're seeing a lot of bad things. You're talking to bad predators, seeing bad photographs. Yes, it can get very disturbing.
Frank Lombard has been an employee of Duke since 1999. He is the Associate Director of the Center for Health Policy. Lombard is now on unpaid leave.